Are you ready to explore the cosmos from the comfort of your own home in 2025? Whether you're just starting your stargazing journey or you're a seasoned astronomer, we've put together a list of the best tabletop telescopes that bring the wonders of the night sky right to your table. Stick around. Your ideal stargazing companion is waiting in this lineup. Number 1. Vayones Vespera 2. The Vayones Vespera 2 is a smart telescope that makes deep sky astrophotography both simple and exciting. It's priced at $1,590 and comes with a 50mm aperture, a 250mm focal length, and an 8.3 megapixel Sony IMX585 sensor, ideal for capturing sharp, detailed shots of nebulae and galaxies like the Orion Nebula. Using the Singularity app, it automatically aligns itself, tracks celestial objects, and stacks multiple images for clearer, more detailed results. It also features a mosaic mode that boosts resolution to 24 megapixels and gives you a wide field of view, about 2.5 degrees across and 1.4 degrees tall. To put that into perspective, that's wide enough to capture the entire Andromeda Galaxy or the full expanse of the Orion Nebula in a single frame. Weighing just 11 pounds, it includes 25 gigabytes of storage and runs for about 4 hours on one charge. If you're planning a long night under the stars, a power bank is a smart addition. While it's excellent for deep sky photography even in city skies, the smaller optics mean it's not as strong for detailed planetary views. And note, this telescope does not come with a tripod. Number 2. Celestron First Scope 76. If you're buying for a beginner, especially a young astronomer, this is a fantastic pick. The Celestron First Scope 76 costs just $70 and features a 76mm aperture with a 300mm focal length, delivering clear, bright views of the moon, planets, and other bright objects. It weighs only 4.3 pounds, so it's light enough for kids to set up themselves, with no tools required. It even comes in fun designs like a lunar-themed tube. You get 2 eyepieces, a 20mm lens for 15 times magnification and a 4mm lens for 75 times magnification. Enough to see craters on the moon and even Saturn's rings. It's best for kids aged 8 and up. While it won't reveal faint galaxies or nebulae in detail, it's a great starter telescope for sparking curiosity about space. Number 3. Celestron StarSense Explorer 8-inch Dobsonian. For intermediate stargazers, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 8-inch Dobsonian offers serious visual power. Priced at $799, it features a 203mm aperture and a 1200mm focal length, giving you bright, highly detailed views of planets, nebulae, and galaxies. Its standout feature is the StarSense app, which uses your smartphone's camera and plate-solving technology to guide you to more than 40,000 celestial objects, perfect for those still learning their way around the night sky. 2 eyepieces are included, a 25mm for 48 times magnification and a 10mm for 120 times magnification. At 44 pounds, it's heavy and not ideal for quick grab-and-go sessions, but the larger aperture makes it worth the size for serious backyard observing. It's not designed for astrophotography, but if you want to explore deep space visually, it's an excellent choice. Number 4. ZWO C-Star S50. The ZWO C-Star S50 is a smart, budget-friendly telescope priced at $499, perfect for entry-level astrophotographers. It has a 50mm aperture, a 250mm focal length, and a 2-megapixel Sony IMX462 sensor. The field of view measures about 1.8 degrees wide and 1 degree tall, enough to fit large nebulae and star clusters comfortably in a single shot. It connects via Wi-Fi to the C-Star app, which offers auto-centering, image stacking, and full control of the telescope from your phone. With 64 gigabytes of storage and a 6-hour battery life, it can handle long observing sessions without extra gear. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, it comes with a tripod and even a solar filter, making it highly portable. While it doesn't match premium models in resolution and isn't built for detailed planetary views, it's an excellent all-in-one package for beginners. Number 5. ZWO C-Star S30. If you want the most compact and affordable smart telescope, the ZWO C-Star S30 is a great pick. Priced at $399, it has a 30mm aperture and a 150mm focal length, paired with a 2-megapixel Sony IMX462 sensor. Its wide field of view is about 2.9 degrees across and 1.6 degrees tall, perfect for capturing large star fields and objects like the Pleiades cluster. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it's incredibly portable. Ideal for travel or backpacking trips. The Seastar app gives you Wi-Fi control, auto tracking, and image stacking. It comes with 64 gigabytes of storage and a 6-hour battery, supporting long nights under the stars. Its smaller size means lower resolution and less light gathering power, so faint deep sky objects will appear less detailed, and planetary views are limited. However, the moon still looks crisp, and for casual astrophotography, it's a solid budget-friendly option.